I am Imal Ashwath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is continuity and differentiability. If y equal to sine inverse 6x minus 4 into square root of 1 minus 4x square by 5, find dy by dx. This is an important question. Here it is sine inverse 6x minus 4 into square root of 1 minus 4x square. So first we have to eliminate the square root. For that what we have to do is, here 4x square. So first I am going to take, that is sine theta. So x equal to sine theta. Then here it is 4. So here it is x square. So put x equal to 1 by 2 sine theta. Then only this 4 and 4 cancelled. Then we remove the square root. Now first we have to simplify. This one we have to simplify. So first y equal to sine inverse. 6 into 1 by 2 sine theta minus 4 into square root of 1 minus 4 into 1 by 4 sine square theta. 1 by 4 sine square theta divide by 5. Here that is cancel. So 3 sine theta. Here 4 get cancel. 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Now it is equal to sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 cos theta divided by 5. That is equal to sine inverse. I take that is separately. That is 3 by 5 sine theta minus 4 by 5 cos theta. Now what is our aim? Here we have to bring sine theta in the form of sine theta. Here it is 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. That is 3, 4, 5. They form the rectangle triangle. So I am going to use here, that is put cos pi equal to sine theta. Cos pi equal to 3 by 5. Cos pi equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Cos pi equal to 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Then what is sin pi? We have to find sin pi. So sin pi equal to, what do you know that? 1 minus cos square pi. Square root of 1 minus cos square pi. So if you substitute 1 minus, that is 9 by 25. 1 minus 9 by 25. 25 minus 9 by 25, 16 by 25. So square root is 4 by 5. So cos pi equal to 3 by 5 and sin pi equal to 4 by 5. Next, here it is 3 by 5. So you have to substitute. That is equal to sine inverse 3 by 5. In the place of 3 by 5 we substitute cos pi and sin theta. Then 4 by 5. In the place of 4 by 5 we have to substitute sin pi cos theta. Now it is sin A cos B. What is sin A cos B? Sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So now what is sin inverse sin theta minus pi. Now sin inverse sin is theta minus pi. So theta minus pi. Now what is theta? Already what we take it as? Cos pi equal to 3 by 5 and sin theta equal to 1 by 2 sin theta, 1 by 2 sin theta equal to x. So from this, what is theta? 2x sin inverse 2x, sin inverse 2x. Here, what is pi? This one implies what is pi? Cos inverse 3 by 5, cos inverse 3 by 5. So what do you get here? Theta, in the place of theta you are having sin inverse 2x minus in the place of pi you are having cos inverse 3 by 5. Cos inverse 3 by 5. Now we simplified y. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That is dy by dx equal to sin inverse 2x. So 1 by square root of 1 minus 2x the whole square, and this differentiation of 2x, that is equal to into 2. Here it is a constant, therefore it is 0. Now what is the answer? This is 2 divided by square root of 1 minus 4x square. So dy by dx equal to 2 divided by square root of 1 minus 4x square. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.